Claiming your Jamaican citizenship by descent and securing your passport is an incredibly rewarding process, connecting you directly to your heritage. Success in this process comes down to two highly specific things: understanding the required paperwork and strictly auditing your own documents before you submit them. We are looking at a clear three-phase blueprint. We will cover how to establish your lineage, exactly what goes into your citizenship package, and what to bring to your final passport appointment. Following this exact sequence keeps everything organized and ensures your application moves smoothly through the system without the risk of rejection. Phase 1 starts with the foundation of your application, an unbroken paper trail. Prove your line of descent using original, long-form birth certificates. If you are missing your Jamaican ancestors' birth certificate and don't know their official entry number, you will need to request a manual out-of-mani search from the Registrar General's Department in Jamaica. To give the researchers the best chance of success, you need to provide specific biographical details: the exact parish or district where your ancestor was born, the names of the schools they attended, and the names of their siblings. Including a brother or sister is especially effective, as finding a sibling in the registry often leads researchers directly back to the correct parents. Securing these lineage proofs is a strict prerequisite. You must have these documents physically in hand before you begin filling out any application forms. With your lineage established, we move to the physical assembly of your Phase 1 citizenship package. The Passport, Immigration, and Citizenship Agency operates under an absolute rule. They require original, physical documents. Do not submit photocopies, scans, or laminated documents. They will be immediately rejected. Your package begins with the completed application for Jamaican citizenship by descent form and your valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Next, include your original long-form birth certificate and your Jamaican parents' or grandparents' original birth certificate. If you are claiming citizenship through your Jamaican father, his name must be officially listed in your birth certificate. You also need 2 passport-sized photographs. If you are applying by mail, one photo must be certified by a notary public. They must write their certification and signature on the back, but do not let them stamp over your face. Finally, include the exact application fee via international money order or bank draft, along with a prepaid, self-addressed, registered return envelope so the government can safely mail your original documents and new citizenship certificate back to you. Leaving out any single item on this checklist or submitting a non-original document guarantees the government will return the entire package to you unprocessed. Before you seal your submission envelope, stop. You need to audit your own paperwork. Discrepancies across generational documents are the primary reason for processing delays. Review every document side by side. Name spellings and order must match perfectly. Address any missing middle names or variations. If a current name differs due to marriage or legal name change, bridge that gap by including the original marriage certificate or deed poll. Preemptively accounting for every spelling variation ensures your application goes straight through to approval rather than getting caught up in months of bureaucratic delays. Phase 2 begins only after your original documents and your brand new certificate of Jamaican citizenship physically arrive in the mail. Because this is a first-time passport, biometric laws require you to apply in person. You need to book an appointment at the specific Jamaican embassy or consulate that holds legal jurisdiction over your state of residence. For this appointment, bring your new original certificate of Jamaican citizenship, your original birth certificate, and your valid, unexpired government-issued ID. You also need 2 new color passport-sized photographs on a matte finish. However, because you are applying in person, do not have a notary public sign or stamp your photos. The consular officer will officially certify them during your appointment. Finally, bring the exact application fee via a certified check, cashier's check, or international money order. Do not bring cash or personal checks. Understanding the strict differences between the Phase 1 mail-in requirements and Phase 2 in-person rules guarantees your passport will be issued on the first try. You now have a fully organized, chronologically structured application plan. Sticking strictly to this protocol eliminates the guesswork and ensures you don't miss any critical steps. If you need help organizing your ancestors' background details for a search, or if you want an expert eye to vet your application packages before submission, DocuHub Operations Services is here to guide you. Mastering this administrative process is the final step to officially claiming your heritage and securing your Jamaican citizenship.